In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in GetResponse. Let's dive right in and make the process as simple as possible. First things first, head to the GetResponse dashboard. This is your main hub where you'll navigate across all the functionalities GetResponse has to offer. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the Tools section. Give that a click. This will present you with a variety of options. Since we are focused on email marketing today, you'll want to select Email Marketing. This will lead you directly to the area where all your email campaigns and newsletters live. Now, you're ready to create a newsletter. Find and click on the Create Newsletter button. This brings up two options, but we'll choose the By Myself option. This is perfect if you want full control over the content and design of your newsletter without using the predefined templates. The next thing you need to do is type in a name for your newsletter. This is crucial for your personal records, so make it something relevant and easy to identify later on. Next up, choose the list you'd like to send your newsletter to. This is the list of contacts who will receive your masterpiece. Double check to ensure you've selected the correct list, because you definitely want your newsletter to reach the right audience. The next essential element is your subject line. This is what grabs your reader's attention, so make it captivating and relevant. Moving forward, click on Add Recipients. Here, you'll once again verify that you've chosen the right contact list. Once you've done that, click Add to confirm your selection. If you have any files that you wish to include in your newsletter, click on Attach File. This could be useful for attaching things like PDFs or additional resources. If you change your mind and want to use the Design Message option instead, simply click Cancel to back out of the file attachment. Now, click Close and then select Design Message. This brings up the option to Use Template. Choose a template you like, and then you can customize it to fit your brand and message. Feel free to tweak and adjust until you're happy with the final look of your newsletter. Once satisfied with your design, click Next. You'll be taken to a screen where you can choose to schedule your newsletter for later, but for the purpose of this video, we'll opt to send it immediately. Click Send Immediately to proceed. Finally, see the Send Message button? Give it a click, and just like that, your newsletter is on its way to your audience. You've done it. You've successfully created and sent a newsletter in GetResponse. If you found this video helpful, stay tuned for more content and keep exploring all that GetResponse has to offer to make your email marketing efforts a success. Thanks for watching!